Hi, class. All right, we're still working with equations. We're still doing 6.10a. And our objective today, I will be able to multiply and divide one-step equations. Okay, your success criteria is going to be the same as when you add and subtract one-step equations. So the variable must be alone or isolated on one side of the equal sign. We isolate the variable by using the inverse or the opposite operation. And the equation must remain balanced. So that means that what you do to one side of the equation, you have to do to the other. And you can check your solution by plugging your number that you solved for back in for the variable. Okay, so we use the same process, but we're doing multiplication and division. So using the inverse or the opposite operation, the opposite of multiplication is division. And the opposite of division is multiplication. Okay, so we're going to write our equation from the model, and then we're going to solve it. So we have 3x's. So 3x equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 2 is 12. Okay, so this says 3 times x equals 12. So the opposite of multiplication is division. So we divide by the coefficient because we want to get 1x. And what we do to one side, we have to do to the other. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, so those cancel, and we're left with the x. So x equals, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. If you want to fill in your key, x, this is positive 1, this is negative 1. Okay, example 1 on your notes. First, write the equation. We have 2 x's, 2 times x equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this says 2 times x equals 6. So the opposite of multiplication is division. So we divide by 2 on both sides because we want to get 1x. So we get x equals 6 divided by 2 is 3. Example 2. It's the same process no matter what way it's written. So this is positive 2 equals 4x, or 4 times x. And the same thing, we're going to divide to get 1x. Divide by 4, divide by 4. And you have to simplify your fraction. So we get 1/2 equals x, or x equals 1/2. And example 3. So this one's a little bit different. This says x divided by 2 equals 28. The opposite of division is multiplication. So we're going to multiply by the denominator. So multiply times 2. And what we do to one side, we have to do to the other. So the 2's cancel, because 2 divided by 2 is 1. And we are left with x equals 28 times 2 is 56. Be sure to fill out the summary at the bottom of the page, and I will see you in class.